I lost a fucking easy ass gunfight, dude. That's tough. GG's, boys. You guys are fucking crap stained. Wow, all four of us just got fucking put into an armbar and fuck. Boys, I need to start. Should I start two boxing on this chat? I feel like I should start two boxing.
Got reinforcements inbound.
This guy's already got his. Boys, I'm gonna start fucking two boxing. Dude.
Time for this.
I missed the easy headshot, boys. Shit.
Rest of them.
I'm missing a lot of fucking shots tonight, boys.
They're incoming. Hostile mosquito is online.
What up, Shane and Doa? Shane, I hope you've been well, my friend. Bro, how the fuck do people play this fucking game mode, dude? 4 dudes sitting on their fucking pussies, dude. Congratulations. If you're gonna play Rebirth, you gotta fucking two box, boys. I just gotta get the fucking other account pulled up, dude. I really gotta. I've been saying I'm gonna fucking two box forever, dude. It's just fucking... Brother, this is literally... If you're not two boxing, this is a normal lobby. If you two box, you get people that don't shoot back.
Enemy movement.
Everybody does it. I'm pretty sure every Rebirth streamer two boxes, dude. I mean, I don't fucking blame them. Free sub available, but at the die, we can keep the sub train rolling, ladies and gentlemen.
Confirmed, and we located the rest of them.
W there.
Enemy marked. It's all on you. Stay alive. Gas is moving.
Te moriste, ¿no? Te aviso. Duele el putero con Chocumani.
Back on station. Good work. Target down. Marking the rest of them. Squad mates
Using a fucking shotgun! You shameless motherfucker! Cucaracha! Cucaracha!
Box is secure. Contract complete. You're losing ground. Move it. Friendly.
En la escalera.
Fire.
Mete.
You're in the top 10. Keep
Brown bag. Oh.
near your location.
Still alive in the front. You ain't got no gas, no smoke. No. How did he, bro?
No gas mask, brother. Fuck. Bro, my account is... How do... Okay, who has the website? Does someone have the website?
Behind me. Oh,
Does somebody have the website? Ricochet team. We have sent the COD unbanned tool to your agent. This issue will be resolved shortly.